and discuss the use and importance of a dictionary and a newspaper. Dictionary is a book with a list of words in alphabetical order that explains what they mean. Uses helps us understand the meanings of words and how to say them. Importance makes it easier to learn new words and use them correctly. Newspaper, a paper that comes out every day or week with news and stories. Uses tells us what is happening in the world, sports, and fun things. Has ads and people's opinion. Importance helps us know what is going on and keeps us informed. Dictionary and newspaper are important tools that helps us learn and stay informed. By using them, we can improve our knowledge, language, skills, and understanding of the world. Thank you and bye-bye.